The Nature of Molecules and the Properties of Water by Jasmine Goins. Any substance in the universe that has mass and occupies space is defined as matter. All matter is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. An atom consists of a nucleus of protons and neutrons surrounded by a cloud of electrons. A group of atoms held together by energy in a stable association is called a molecule. The atoms in a molecule are joined by chemical bonds. These bonds can result when atoms with opposite charges attract each other, otherwise known as ionic bonds, when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons, covalent bonds, or when atoms interact in other ways. When life was beginning, water provided a medium in which other molecules could move around and interact. Three-fourths of the earth is covered by liquid water. Water takes many forms. When water cools below 0 degrees Celsius, it forms beautiful crystals familiar to us as ice and snow. Ice turns to liquid when the temperature is above 0 degrees Celsius. Liquid water becomes steam when temperature is above 100 degrees Celsius. Water has a simple molecular structure, consists of an oxygen atom bound to two hydrogen atoms by two single covalent bonds. The hydrogen bonding of water means that water molecules are attracted to one another. That is, water is cohesive. Water cohesion is responsible for it being liquid, not a gas, at moderate temperatures. The cohesion of water is also responsible for surface tension. Water molecules are adhesive. The polarity of water causes it to be attracted to other polar molecules as well. This attraction for other polar substances is called adhesion. Water adheres to any substance with which it can form hydrogen bonds. Water moderates temperature through two properties, its high specific heat and its high heat of vaporization. Water is said to have a high specific heat, which is defined as the amount of heat 1 gram of a substance must absorb or lose to change its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. The heat of vaporization is defined as the amount of energy required to change 1 gram of a substance from liquid to a gas. Solid water is less dense than liquid water. The concentration of hydrogen ions and concurrently of hydroxide ions in a solution is described by the terms of acidity and basicity. The pH scale is a more convenient way to express the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution. This scale defines pH, which stands for power of hydrogen. Any substance that dissociates in water to increase hydrogen and lower pH is called an acid. A substance that combines with hydrogen when dissolved in water, thus lower the hydrogen, is called a base.